Welcome to a quick Patchogue-Medford library tutorial on how to use the Sphero Mini. Sphero is simply this small little ball. You open it up, there's a tiny little robot in it, and it has some sensors in it. It can give off light, and it also is weighted at the bottom, so you can always tell by the way that you put it down which is the right side. But what we're going to do is we're going to put this back in, and I'm going to show you what this guy can do. Sphero connects to a tablet or a phone, which allows you to move it around using the flick of your finger. To start out, get a tablet or a phone, download the app, which is called Sphero, and you're going to sync it up. Since we have a mini, we're going to click this, and it's going to start scanning the robot. You want to keep these two as close to each other as possible. Once your device and the Sphero are calibrated, you want to take this plastic cover and put it on top. Snap it in, place it, and what you're going to do is you're going to calibrate it. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to try to move this so that way the blue light is facing me, like that. And I'm going to let go, and now it's synced up. First way I can drive my Sphero is using the joystick. I'm going to flick the stick and move around the ball. Watch. Currently 7 different drive modes, including a slingshot, tilt, face drive, scream drive, kick, and blocks. If you hit the bottom right icon, this little gamepad, it'll bring up 3 different games for you to play: Exile 2, Lightspeed Drifter, and Round Trip. The top left allows you to sync and desync other devices from your Sphero, and on the right is the options, which allows you to change the colors, change the maximum speed, change brightness, and some more advanced options over here. That's going to conclude it for this tutorial. Remember to constantly keep your Sphero charged by plugging it into the port right over here, which is a normal USB. And also make sure you do it on a flat surface, preferably a floor so it doesn't fall off a tabletop. Thank you for watching.